Hello everyone, today we meet for a new video on the World of Traders tool. World of Traders is a smart trading and copy trading platform, and I will show you how to create your own copy trading group so that your community, your friends or your family can profit from your trades automatically. This tutorial is also available on our blog. You will find the link in the description. Note that this video is not an investment advice. Do your own research on the cryptocurrency market before investing. To get started, I'm going to show you how to create a free account on World of Traders. First, go to worldoftraders.com. The link will be in the description and click on Create a free account. Then enter your login details and don't forget to check these two boxes. Then click on Register. Once your account is created, you will need to create an API on Binance, then link into World of Traders. To do this, go to the FAQ tab and click on How to create an API on Binance. First, make sure you have done the intermediate verification with ID on Binance. If it's not done, you will not be able to use the World of Traders tool. Next, make sure the spot and or future accounts are not empty. For future accounts, the funds must be in USDT wallets. Then click on this link. You will be redirected directly to Binance in the API Management tab. Now we are going to create our API. To do this, click on Create API, click on System Generated API Key, enter a name for your API key, resolve the captchas. Then check by email and phone number. Here you go. The API key is created, but it is not finished. There are still a few steps. Click on Edit Restrictions. For Binance spot accounts, spot and margin trading will need to be enabled. It will not sit on my screen because I have a French account, but for Binance futures accounts, it will be necessary to activate the Enabled Futures checkbox. Also, verify that the Enable Withdrawal checkbox is not checked. This will provide the API key for making withdrawals. The money will remain in the user's account and no theft will be possible. And finally, check the Restrict Access to Trusted IP Addresses Only checkbox. The API key will be only authorized by the IPs we have defined. In the description of this video you will find the IPs to enter for this box. Now, go to World of Traders in the Account tab, then click on Add an exchange. First, you have the option to select the name of the exchange and add a name to it. But remember that free will only be available if you create a Binance spot or futures exchange without referral. For other exchanges, you will have to pay 15 euros per month. 99% of our users are on Binance, so this should delight the majority of you. Note that if the master trader is on Binance spot, for example, the followers will also have to be on Binance spot. Next, add the API key and secret API key previously created on Binance, then click on Add an exchange. Now I will show you to create your own trading group. To do this, go to World of Traders in the Traders tab and click on Create a Trader. You will have to be careful to put the same exchange that you put for your API key. Then enter your trader's name. Then generate the reference that you will give to your followers, as well as a description. Then create your trader. You will find your trading group in the Traders tab. For the moment your group will be private, but it can become public later in a second step. After a few weeks of trading, you will need to send us a message so that we can ensure the effectiveness of your trade and your results. If the follower wants to create his account on the World of Traders to add his API key himself, he will have to go to the Traders tab, then enter the reference of the trader, and finally add the trader. If you do not want to show your followers that you are using World of Traders, you can directly ask them for the API key to enter them yourself. To do this, go to the trading group, just there, and click on Manage Followers. Then click on Add a Follower, and choose a name for your follower. You have now two options. The first, use exchange balance as capital, and the second, define fixed capital. For the option define fixed capital, imagine that the follower releases a capital of $1,000 for your trading group. If you place a trade at 10%, the follower will place a trade of 100, or 10% of the fund he allowed to your group. For the option use exchange balance as capital, if the follower has $5,000 in his account and you place a trade at 5%, the trade of the follower will be $250. If later the capital changes and becomes 6,000 and you place a trade at 5%, the trade will be this time $300. You will have now to enter the API key and secret API key of your followers. You can also add a note and also an end date. The end date allows you to block access to your group on a given date. Let's imagine that your followers are subscribed to your group for a month. You can make sure that he no longer has access to your group in a month. Then add your followers. Once the follower is added, click here and you will see that you have several options. First, edit follower, if you want to change the end date, API keys or capital options. Refresh to update the values. Disable follower to disable it manually. Connect as to connect to your wallet account to see if the trade have been carried out. And delete user to remove the user from your group. I will now show you to create a trade. To do this, you have four options. The smart trading directly on Wall of Traders. Send your trades directly to our API. Create an alert on TradingView and link TradingView to Wall of Traders, and use Telegram. First, let's see the smart trading directly on Wall of Traders. To do this, go to Wall of Traders in the smart trading tab. You have the possibility to create your trade, for example with a buy market. Here you have the part of my capital. You have to be careful because it is this value, this percentage, which will be copied to the account of the followers. Then create your trades with a take profit or a stop loss. Now add the followers. Choose your trading group and finally click on create trade and confirm. You will be then redirected to the My Trades tab. Here you have several options. The panic sell to close the trade in one click for all followers instantly. The second, modify the trade to modify a take profit, a stop loss, or the price limit. Hold to cancel take profit, stop loss, and limits entries not filed. And for finish, view trades detail. The second method is to send your trades directly to our API. I put in the description the link of an article that deals with the subject, so that we don't have to detail everything. However, you still have a few things to do, including recovering your bearer or modifying the exchange ID. Then you will have to use our code in the language you want. Everything is very well detailed and explained, and you can directly call our API and send your trades for you and your followers. The third method is to create an alert on TradingView and link TradingView to Wall of Traders. As soon as the TradingView alert is reached, the trade will be created instantly for you and your followers. To make the adjustment, I invite you to read the tutorial article whose link in the description. To conclude, the fourth method is to use Telegram. For this, we advise you to contact us because it is a bit complex. You will need to send us a Telegram message in a channel, or you will add Wall of Traders user. It is actually our bot and also the account of one of the co-founders of Wall of Traders. For example, you can send this type of message. However, be careful, you will have to use any format but always the same. And here we have gone around to show you how to create and manage a copy trading group on Wall of Traders. Notice that these are the only options available to create, modify or close a trade. You should not create, delete or modify a trade on your Binance account. They will simply not be read. This video is now over. I hope you have enjoyed it, and above all that it has helped you. I would nevertheless like to point out that this video is available in the form of a blog on our site. The link will be in the description. Note that this video is not an investment advice. Do your own research on the cryptocurrency market before investing. Happy trading, everyone!